How to add a moving announcement bar on your Shopify store. So right here, we are going to use the search tool and we are going to search for popped-ins. And then search for popped-ins in the Shopify App Store. So this is the application that I recommend. It's this one, popped-ins, exit and email pop-ups. And right here, we just want to click on it and install it. And I'm going to show you what the setup process looks like. So we will simply install this application to our Shopify store here. Just give it some time to install and it's going to look like this. It will ask us to create an account and then it will directly take us to the new popped-in form or creation. So I'm just going to do pop-up here and it will ask us what type of pop-up we want to create. So we are going to do announcement here. And we can choose the type of announcement bar that we would like or the announcement pop-up. So as you can see, we have different ones here. And let's just do this one as an example because it looks like a bar and we have to click on customize. And we have to create a popped-in name. So I'm just going to do tutorial. And we're going to click on customize popped-in. So it's going to look like this. Now we have to set up whatever we want here, so we can change the text. So tutorial, buy it now, just as an example. And we can change the color here. We can change the HTML. We can do a video. We can do a timer. We can do a field. And basically the first step was selecting a template. And the second one is selecting and setting up the design. So we can also add autoresponsor and we have advanced settings and email and integrations. But basically, once you set this up to your liking, I will leave it like so. We will click on next. And the last step, I guess, are the display rules. When can we display this? Display after 5 seconds on which page? So you can choose the page here, which you would like. Page scroll. You can set this up as well, and this will show us all of the display rules that we have set up. So display after 5 seconds, display on devices both desktop and mobile, and we can just click on publish here. And the good thing about this application is that it will automatically publish it to our Shopify store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.